Hey, it's Glen, Affiliate Profit Pages. Glen Murray, for some of you that don't know me. I do reviews. I show people how to make money online with different affiliate programs. Today I'm going to be reviewing this program called Plug&Play. It's pretty cool. It's a um, landing page builder for Clickbank offers, which is what I recommend. I always recommend sending someone to a landing page before sending them right to an offer. You can send them to the offer directly once they're on your email list, but you really want to be building the email list, because if you can sell them into one thing, you can sell people into other things. So this is going to be the Plug&Play. We're gonna do a demo, and we're gonna walk through the. Do I have the sales page open? I think the sales page is open. Sales page, they're all the same, guys. Really what you want to know is, you want to know, does it work? How much is it going to cost me? And Glenn, do you have any bonuses? That's it. So first off, hit subscribe. I'm going to give you an honest review of this, guys, because I was sort of playing around with it. And it's kind of like, oh man, how do I do this review? Because I wasn't really that impressed with the software. So I said, you know what? I'm going to blank slate. I'm just going to do sort of follow the instructions and make a website. And it actually was very, very quick. Plugged in my affiliate link. It took me right there, made a landing page, captured the email. It did exactly what it's meant to do. Now, the one thing that Tom's going to talk about in the demo, I'm going to play you in 1 second here. He talks about a really cool Twitter search strategy, which is very cool. I can't give it all away because that's part of the software. So one of my recommendations, if you're looking at Plug&Play and you're thinking, you've been searching around just to get more idea what it is, I recommend it, guys. There's two ways you can do it: if you have a get response, or if you just want to click the leads. It will. There's a ton of training in there that will help you get it, but it's really quite basic, but it's simple and it works. So let's watch the demo, and then I'll show you what bonuses I have. Actually, let's look at my. No, let's look at my bonuses first. Okay, I like showing my bonuses. All right, where's my bonus page? Here it is. All right, so kind of the headline, guys. We are guaranteed $98 a day. These guys are looks like what they were showing. They were doing about $100 a day. Really basic stuff. Probably take you about 20 minutes a day to do the strategy. So our offer today, our bonuses today: Access Continuum, awesome piece of software there. We've got Learn How to Blog, which is cool. And this, guys, this is a perfect thing. Is if you're just starting to dabble in blogging, like this is a great tool to get landing pages on your blog without having to learn a bunch of code and stuff like that. You just make them. They're I will show you later. Make you really, really easy. Recasting monetization. This is really cool. YouTube training. And then Eclipse, another awesome piece of software. And then we've got all your vendor bonuses. Plus, guys, I'm going to throw in, didn't I do it on this page? I'll throw in some extra bonuses, guys, just because I think this is a cool one. So let's go over to, let's see, let's go over and watch the video, and then I'll be right back, and I'll take you into the back office and sort of show you how it works. I know I don't sound that excited about this software, because while I think it's good, I think there might be better ones for you, but it depends on what you're looking for. Like this might be just the one you're looking for, and I don't want to deter you from going and getting it. So I'm going to show you what it is. I'm going to be honest about it, and just sort of we'll go through it. But let's watch the video. We'll watch Tom explain sort of what it is, and it makes sense. But let's just quickly watch it, and then I'll be right back. Here we go.
Hey, what's up guys? Tom E here, and I'm going to give you a really quick overview of Plug and Play. Now, it's going to be a very short video, extremely short, because it's so damn easy to understand, and I'm not going to bore you with a tutorial here because you will find tutorials in the rest of the membership area. So Plug and Play is a software and method that plugs you into all of the hot, I mean really hot, top-selling Clickbank offers. It's not Warrior Plus, it's Clickbank, because it's a market that you can still make a ton of money on. You don't have to get approved. Everything is instant approval, as you know if you've been on Clickbank, which is a big hurdle to get over for a lot of beginning affiliates. And then in the software, we have built-in bonus pages, opt-in funnel and the whole thing. Now, what makes this really interesting is our traffic angle. A lot of times these days, people say free traffic and then they have to like utilize their own social media, which I'm not a big fan of because that's not really free traffic. What we do is we utilize Twitter Advanced Search. Now, you may know what Twitter Advanced Search is, or you may not, but regardless, my partner Vic, he has found an extremely clever way of using it to get a lot of free traffic. He used to do this a few years ago when he was still struggling, and he'd make anywhere from like, I don't know, 50 to about $100 a day simply using Twitter Advanced Search to drive traffic to his affiliate offers on Warrior Plus, except we are using proven offers that they don't have to get approved for on Clickbank. And altogether, that works out really, really good because they get a done for you software and a traffic source that they can really go to town with. We also include other traffic stuff. We showed them paid traffic and all that stuff for other options, but the free traffic from Twitter is probably how a lot of them are going to do it since they may not have a budget. Anyways, that is Plug and Play for you in a nutshell.
There you go. That was the end, guys. It just really, really quick. So now I would pick this up just for the advanced search because it's really cool. When Vic explains the whole thing, it's a very cool way to search and a very cool technique of doing Twitter without spamming. Now, two things. It's not completely passive. You do have to do a little bit of work. But he actually says to do it in little tiny bites. So that's what I'm saying, like 15, 20 minutes a day. Probably not even that if you get good at it. Just do the advanced search, do what he shows you to do, and then that's it, right? Like that's basically the technique. And you just build rapport with some people. So let's get into the back office here so you can sort of see. Let's see. There, oh, that's the offer that I made. That's the thing that I made. Let's see. All right. So this is the back office, guys. Just get this thing on the way. Oops, that's my bonus page. All right. So basically, this is it. Just you didn't really see inside. So what you do is how you do it is you create a campaign. Super easy. Just do a campaign and you call it whatever. Come on. Sorry, my. Let's go. Try that again. There we go. So here's like one thing that I noticed, guys, is that with the front end, you only get like about 5 templates. So it's very basic, and it's there these 5 templates for this is just the front end, guys. So with the advanced, I think the pro, which is we'll get to the OTOs, but then I think it opens up a ton more, and they even have it done for you. And I always say get unlimited, get done for. So what we do is we pick one of these templates, and there'd be way more templates depending on which upgrade you got. It's basically this is it. You can change any of this. You can edit any of it, right? Like this is all editable. I've just left it like that, but you can go in and you can really use this simple page builder, and then you would hit next. Oops. That took us out. You would hit next, and then you're just going to name your page, right? So detox 2, I already did one. Squeeze page shadow, you can name it whatever you want. Now if you have some tracking code, if you have like a Google Analytics, or you have any kind of you want to put a Facebook pixel, Google pixel, anything like that, you could put it in here. Bonus page, if you're going to create a bonus page, you could put it in here. I think that with other upgrades, they have bonus pages for you. And then a form code, if you want to do your own autoresponder code. I think they works with 5 autoresponders. But like, for example, if you're using Aweber, you could put an Aweber form code in here. Or you could just let it collect the emails. You can use link instead of bonus page. So then the link is, I'm just going to go grab my Clickbank link over here. So I see I listed it plug and play. So I'm going to grab a Clickbank link over here. Go back over here. Where is it? And I'm just going to put the link in. Come on. Oh, I have to go use link there. So let's see if what happens with it we do the bonus page. So it does that. Now we go create money page. So where is my bonus page? Interesting. And this is still learning the software, guys. Trying to figure out. That's the URL. View stats, delete, settings. Okay, let's see what the settings do. Sorry, it works slow on my computer when I'm recording, guys, so it just takes a few minutes. Not sure why it's not opening up there. To settings. Let's go back to my campaigns here. Go here. Well, there you guys go. It's not. This doesn't seem to be taking me where I want to go. I don't know if I'm trying to load it too many times. Maybe I got to go in this way with the dashboard. Campaigns, go here. Sorry guys, still trying to find my way around. I could get to it last time. It was easy. Looks like some of the links aren't working too well. Go to campaigns. Click on this. Should be able to get to it there. All right. I don't want to waste time. Anyways, the training for the fast traffic training is here. This is really what you want to get to. I'm sure they'll work the bugs out there, guys. It's just probably because it's brand new. There's still a little bit of tweaking to go on. So they do some really cool training in there. The cost of it. So the front end is $12.45. You get the plugin. Now I would recommend upgrading to the unlimited, unthrottled. So if you go to scroll off the page, you get it for 27, and then they do it done for you for 77. They also give you high ticket for 1 day affiliate system, unlimited traffic, which they put a pixel on their sales page, and then license rights. So that is it in a nutshell. And I hate when I'm doing a demo and the software doesn't quite work, like it's glitchy, because sometimes it's hard. Like I might have put it into a loop where it's trying to open that page for me. Last time I did it, I did click on the link, it opened the page, I get into the setting, I put the link in, I tested the page, and my leads were deposited inside because I didn't connect an autoresponder to it. Now, this is what I was talking about. Like I think it's a cool program. I think it could be better. I don't like that it's not. I like that it's integrated with some ARs or some autoresponders. It doesn't have all the autoresponders, which kind of bumps me out because I use Aweber and Aweber wasn't in there. But I also have GetResponse. But you can put a form in there, so that's cool. It's better than some software that has no connections to autoresponders. I like that it makes a landing page. I still haven't figured out that bonus page landing page thing in there, but if it's a true bonus page, that's pretty cool. I would use this software like this. I would go in and learn that advanced training, and I would strictly use the landing page to the link. That's how I would do it. I would also do that with blogging with the software, the bonus I gave you. Create a simple blog. So create a niche blog, right? Let's say you're doing detox. So, detoxabcs.xyz, right? That's a great name. Actually, go buy it if you can get it. Detoxabc.xyz. It'll cost you like $2 to buy it. So basically, I would do that, create a blog around that, and then use this as your, instead of going and buying landing page software, which is $100 a month, just use this one-time fee. You got that. Make your templates. Boom, you pop up. Go build another blog. about whatever other niche you want to go in there, finance, keto cooking, whatever, right? So weight loss, those kind of things. And then use the advanced search, and he's going to show you how to use that advanced search to drive traffic to either your blog or to your landing page. Now, there's many ways to do it, guys. You can make blogs where you can get videos, and that'll show you. And the other bonus I get you, where you can get videos off YouTube and put them into your blog and be able to drive traffic to it that way. So it's a cool program. I think they could have executed a little bit better. I think there could have been a few more bells and whistles they did in it. That being said, I didn't have access to the one-time offers. So I don't know the full scale of that. This is just the front end that I had access to do the review. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. This has been the Plug and Play review walkthrough demo. I think it's cool. I would definitely pick it up just for the training module that you learn about doing the Twitter thing. And if you like playing with it, then absolutely use it. It's a good little tool. If you already have a landing page builder and you already have a Clickbank account, I mean, Clickbank accounts are free. You don't have to apply to promote. You can just promote anything. There's a few on there that you need to apply to promote, but most of them you can just promote without being approved. So if you already have a landing page builder and you already have the software, the autoresponder, and you already have a Clickbank account, you're good. The only thing I would do is pay the $12.45 for the advanced training. Like, seriously. And don't just go do the training and refund it. Just go, I'm going to spend the $12 for the training, get the advanced training, and then use it. And then you might actually play around in the back end of this and go, wow, I actually like how this system is done, because it's a very easy page builder. So that's what I have for you guys. Or just pick it up for my bonuses. That's another good thing to do. All right, guys. This has been a Plug and Play review, walkthrough, tutorial. My name's Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. Make sure you hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.